learning vocabulary should not be boring. And for that reason, I have brought some simple but effective ways for you guys to learn and boost your vocabulary without getting bored or overwhelmed. First of all, let me clear it out for you that learning is a gradual process. So don't force anything on yourself. Just be consistent, be patient, and keep learning. So let's dive into today's video. The first step is read, read, and read. You can read books, magazines, blogs, newspapers, or subtitles in movies. You can read anything. Reading exposes you to new words in context. Context is same, but it gives you the idea where you can use new words or not, and not those boring old words. Okay, so whenever you are seeing some new word, write it down. You can Google it. You can make sentences regarding that word. This helps that word stick in your mind forever. So the second tip is don't just learn those words and try to use them in your real life. Make sentence regarding that word. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Talk to your family members, your friends, anyone. Try to use that word. Using words in real life situation will make that word stick in your mind forever, and you won't forget that word. Trust me. So try to use as much as you can and have fun with that. For example, the common sentence will be I'm happy, and instead of saying I'm happy, you can use I'm ecstatic. After hearing this news, I'm ecstatic. And the third tip is listening really does help to improve your vocabulary. You can listen to English podcast like movies, shows. You can listen podcast, TED Talks, speeches, IELTS interviews, or anything, any drama you can listen. I would do that a lot when I was in my learning process. Then gradually I shifted to new type of context. I would listen to vlogs as well. English speakers vlogs I would watch. So that's how these things helped me. And subtitles really helps in these situations, but try to listen when you are not watching the subtitles. That would help you more. So my fourth tip will be make learning fun. If you will force yourself to learn the vocabulary, you will forget that, obviously. So try to have fun with that. Try to play some games, Scrabble or crossword or any type of games. You can also download some apps available over social media regarding learning vocabulary or English spoken. I have done everything because I wanted to learn, so I have tried every damn thing. You can also play games with your friends and just have fun with that. And also try to challenge yourself to use new words every day in fun ways. Talk to your family members with those new words like I'm doing this. Are you having fun talking to me? Or with your friends, because anyway friends makes fun of us even we are doing good or not. We are doing right or wrong. They are just, and we are really comfortable with our friends, so we can talk to them anyhow and anyway. So try to flex in front of them your words, because they are seeing you are flexing the word, but what you are doing is you are being comfortable using that word in front of other people. I would do that a lot. Even now I do that. I learned so many things and I just try to incorporate those things, those words in my day-to-day lifestyle, and my lifestyle keep on being good. and better. Last but not the least, the very most important one tip is learning vocabulary is a gradual process. So don't try to force yourself the thousands of vocabularies on same day and try to remember them, recall them as you're having a test next day. No, these things doesn't work like that. It's just a gradual process. You'll have to be consistent, patient, and try to celebrate every small win. Like when I learned this word exaggeration, I didn't know how to pronounce it, so I was practicing it. And when I got the idea how to speak that word, I was happy. I was actually celebrating in my mind, like, exaggeration, I have learned that word. So these things, you should be happy in yourself. I'm not saying you should cut the cake, not at all, but celebrate in yourself that I'm happy, feel content that like I have learned something new. And remember, the more you practice, the better you become at it. So never forget the mantra of practicing every damn thing, which I've been saying every time in my every single video. Practice, practice and practice. Sometimes like a little child who doesn't know how to say happy birthday, but we know how to say happy birthday. Why do we know that? Because we have practiced that thing a lot ever since our childhood. So practicing is all around connected everywhere. When you practice something, you'll get at it sometime you'll get at it. Yeah, so there you have it. You have the most important and effective and simple tips with you guys. So if you apply these tips will definitely help you, because I have written all of the tips of my personal experiences that these things helped me a lot. And try to let me know in the comment section which one are you going to try first. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And the last line will be consistent. Doesn't matter how hard work it takes to you, how hard it takes, but be consistent and one thing at a time.